Kimchi pancake is such a simple and easy dish that anybody can make. But it all depends on what level of detail you put into this dish. If you want to do this like a pro, watch this video till the end. First step, we're going to dehydrate our homemade ricotta cheese. I'm not going to cover the recipe for the ricotta cheese again, so you can check this video on top. Squeeze out the moisture and keep this in the fridge. Now let's talk about the dry batter mix. This is Korean pancake mix and it has pre-mixed formula to make pancakes. Simply mixing this with water can give you the standard texture of Korean pancakes. And this is the frying batter mix, and I'm using this to enhance the crispness of the pancake. The ratio of the two dry ingredients should be 1:1. I am also using a little bit of MSG, aka So Good powder. If you think that this is a huge health risk, you should think about, thinking again. Do you really think that 1 teaspoon will kill you? Well, it's up to your choice anyways, and I'm also using Korean chili powder. And let's get to the vegetables. Julienne the onion first. And cut 1 scallion in an angle. And here comes the VIP of the dish. You really need sharp and fully fermented kimchi for this. If it is too acidic, you can balance it out with a little bit of sugar. Okay, now's the time to pay attention to the detail. We're gonna mix all dry ingredients. Half cup of the pancake mix and then half cup of the frying batter mix. So good powder and Korean chili powder as well. Before mixing any liquid, just whisk all the dry ingredients together. And to get the best texture, you need ice cold water. This will prevent the batter to absorb too much oil and become soggy. And for this recipe, I used 1 cup of ice cold water. Okay, here comes the second detail. You're not overworking or over mixing the batter. If you overwork the gluten, then it's going to create the doughy texture. Whisk it like a great schoolboy who hates to do his homework. And to this extremely lazy batter, you add onions, scallions, and kimchi. And then mix everything. And depending on your preference, you can add like an ice cube or a dash of cold water. And to this batter, you add half the amount of ricotta cheese that you prepared. You don't have to fully mix the batter with the cheese, just let them smear into the batter. Now, detail point 3, you gotta put enough oil to the pan. Like if you don't have enough oil, then it's not going to cover, it's not gonna make anything crispy, okay? When the oil is hot enough to cook the surface of the batter right away, and then you add the batter. And then you spread it out thinly. Thinner, the better. And please do not make it like okonomiyaki, it's a completely different dish, right? Okay, let's do the bottom check. And it's good. When the bottom is cooked, simply just move it around to distribute the oil and the heat all over the surface. Then you make the flip and cook the other side. By the time you flip, all the oil should be gone on the bottom of your pan. So add a little bit more and then just turn it. And we finally arrived. Okay, the last tip of the day. Eat this right away. If you have to eat this later, then you have to reheat it on the pan. There, I said it very clearly, so don't come back to me and say like, hey man, I tried your recipe and it sucks. Hey, just take the advice. That's why you're watching this video. Know what I'm saying? Crispy kimchi pancake with ricotta cheese and arugula cress. It's really tasty, so you gotta try it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. I'll be back with more informative content.